Now let's jump back to 1801, the year Gauss calculated the position of series. We don't know exactly when Gauss started using least squares. However, it is widely accepted that when he computed the orbit of series, he used a principle that was very close to least squares. Why do we believe this? Because his prediction was dramatically more accurate than anyone else's, and the theory he later presented in 1809 fits the 1801 problem almost perfectly. So while we cannot prove that Gauss used least squares in the exact form found in modern textbooks, most historians agree that he used a method equivalent in its core idea. So let's recreate Gauss's approach with a simple example. For teaching purposes, I'll simplify things a bit. Father Piazzi recorded 24 noisy observations. Here, x is time, y is the position of series, with a bias term included. We also include a bias term. Seen this way, the setup looks very familiar. It's essentially the same linear model we've already studied. So yes, in 1801, Gauss was essentially where we are today.